Now, during the investigation, Governor Walker maintained he knew nothing about what was going on.
Charles Benson's been looking into that part of this story. Charles.
Well, investigators spent a lot of time looking through these emails to see if Scott Walker had any direct knowledge of the secret email system. In the end, prosecutors never charged Walker. Now the public gets a chance to see what happened behind closed doors. Investigators were looking for evidence of a secret email system used by Walker's county staff. Emails like this made them suspicious. I use this private account quite a bit to communicate with SKW and Nardelli, referring to Scott Walker and his chief of staff, wrote one of his top aides. Walker also set up daily conference calls in his office with his county and campaign staff so that, quote, good coordination will help us resolve issues before they blow out of proportion, wrote his chief of staff. Now, the thousands of emails released today show Walker communicating with his county staff and campaign staff almost daily on a number of issues. Walker was never charged. In fact, when he first learned that one of his staff members was accused of doing campaign work on county time, Walker sent out an email for his staff to say, quote, the county executive nor his campaign authorized her actions. Walker downplayed any significance to the emails being released today.
As you all know, covering this multi-year extensive legal process by which each and every one of those communications was reviewed by authorities. And so I'm confident that they reviewed them and chose to act on the ones that they've already made public. And I don't know that there'll be any great surprises beyond what they've already talked about.
Now, Kelly Rindfleisch never wanted these emails to go public and tried to keep them private, but the courts agreed to release them after Rindfleisch appealed her case, saying the scope of the search warrants against her were just too broad. Mike and Carol.
Okay, thank you, Charles.
And